Thank you, Ana Kaleha Official. Thank you so much for your love and support. Tamsak na, patamsak lang live natin, guys. Patamsak lang yung live natin. Please like lang. Like lang yung ating live, please. Thank you so much. Like and share yung ating live. Thank you. Ana Kaleha Official, thank you for your support. Magigisa tayo ng pork adobe. Yan, patamsak live natin, guys. Then connect each other. Magdikitan lang kayo dyan. Magdikitan lang kayo dyan. Go there na mommy's cooking. Go inside. I'm going to cook pork adobo. You like pork adobo, okay?
No.
Oh, you don't like?
I only like this. Thank you, Mom.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Nandyan na ba kayong lahat? Ay mag-umpisa ng magluto ng pork adobo. Pork adobo. I'm going to start cooking. Kita ba yun? Kita. Ay. Kita. Ang ating masyadong mababa. Hindi siya makita. Hindi naman yung pin. Yung iluluto kong adobe ko. Ano siya? Ang tawag dito. Buto. Buto. Gusto ni Jen yung buto. Mabuto. Big love shout out everyone from Ana Kaleha Official. Gusto ni Jen yung mabuto. Pang ano man sana to, pang soup. Pang soup. Pang soup. Let's start cooking. Ito na lang. Ayan. Isang Son, thank you so much for coming. Isang Son TV. Thank you. Asan na yung isang... Ayan. SSC TV, mega love shout out. I want to change my this my cellphone stand. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, this one's better than this one. Para makita yung niluluto natin, ha. Pasensya na kayo, luma na yung ating kusina, Our kitchen is old already, so just take a look how I cook. Maingay din. Sipin. Yes. Thank you so much, guys.